Okay. So anyway, guys, this is Chris, Prince Gastronome, and I'm here with another cracking unboxing. This is the last knife that I've ordered on Kickstarter. I do mean the last. This, I do believe, is called Hiroto Damascus. Obviously, I have some opinions about people using the term Damascus. It's a German company with a Japanese name, of course. On this display here, lovely display, we have my two big name Bob Kramer knives, and over on the left-hand side, we have my three Kickstarter knives from Canassa, Edged Belgravia, and the Bulat right there. Of the three of them, I prefer the Bulat. The Edge is probably aesthetically one of my favorites. Neither of them are sharp as the carbon steel over here. Anyway, so here we go. It's this came from Germany. Let's see here. Christmas wrapping, apparently. What?
Was it trying to get here for Christmas?
Yeah, maybe. Not. I would say call it the greatest Christmas wrap, but I appreciate the effort. I assume this is all German. Yeah, it's all German newspaper printing. Yeah. So let's get that there. So this is the. Yep, that's my name. Well, half of it. Hiroto is the name. That's the bag that they sent. That would leave this to be the knife. I think I ordered the chef knife. That's why it's so long, because this is an 8-incher, which is going to be one of the bigger ones. Let's see here. Got a good angle on that. And there she is. Nice little cloth. I'm gonna get this thing off of here. It is the shiniest knife. Now they claim it's balanced at about here. Okay, sure. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's very, the handle is beautiful. Look at that. It's almost kind of similar to that style. Or actually probably closer to the full-on carbon steel. Apologize for the blemishes on the carbon steel. There's no real way to get those clean. And you compare that to the Canassa right here. Now, like I said, this is, you can see the logo there. Let's get the tip off of that puppy. Yep, feels sharp. They claim it's really sharp. I love the pattern. Once again, similar to what we saw with the Bulat. Obviously, the Bulat has got a matte finish. This is much shiny, even shinier than the...
It reflects a lot.
Yeah. So, as the only knife in the collection, I didn't get any more. I'm going to grab a piece of paper. The Bob Kramer has a pretty good edge to it. Let's see if we can put it in position and see it. Pretty sharp, right? Pretty nice, but the carbon steel is by far the sharpest blade here. Very smooth. So let's put that in comparison to this guy. Oop. Now that is pretty sharp. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. What's that? I would say, and compare that to the Bulat, or the definitely. Let's see here. Trying to get the sound down here. Oh, show you how sharp that thing is. Once again, the carbon steel from the Bob Kramer is by far the sharpest, but I would say this is probably this. What? I would say this is definitely second place. I thought the Bulat was the sharpest knife I had gotten from Kickstarter. I think this beats it. You compare that to the Edge of Belgravia. The Edge is actually still pretty good. These are all really good knives. Oddly enough, the Canassa came the dullest. I like this knife. It's obviously, oh, I thought it was actually longer, but it's actually not. It's about the same length as all the others, all about 8 inches. Yeah, it's just got a very narrow blade. So there we go. It's not a bag, it's an apron. I got an apron? So okay. So it is an apron. I did not expect to get an apron. I thought I was getting a bag. It's interesting. I got a cloth. But cool, that's neat. But yeah, oddly enough, the less interesting box I've ever received. All the boxes that came were really, really pretty, and this one is kind of the plainest. Although I definitely like the packaging in there. But yeah, there we go. That's Hiroto. Yeah, Hiroto from Germany.
This one scares the shit out of me. And it's probably because of the size.
Yeah, because it's actually the dullest blade of the four of them.
Yeah, but that one and that one I don't like because of the size.
A physical size, yeah, because the Kanasa is actually massive. It's physically just huge.
Yeah. I like your new set, based on the fact that we also got the steak knives to go with it.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice and the design is gorgeous.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the handle on that though.
Yeah. What's your favorite?
I'm actually gonna say that one.
Really, the new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm a sucker for the Boulat just for personal reasons, but I think you're right. I think that one's probably one of the nicest blades.
Plus, it has a dragon.
It does. Yep.